Abantu b'Ebungereza, United Kingdom, mwebe ngamba, mukuliko okufuna King Charles III. Kakati no Birmingham Investment Expo. Etuuse omwoleso ogugenda okukwata ku byobulamu, health, okukwata ku real estate, ebya amayumba n'amataka, ogugenda okukwata ku byobulimi, gutuuse mu Birmingham. Era tubeesunze. Bw'obanga oli muntu ali mu UK, oyingirira bwerere naye bw'oba oyagala okugenda ku ddina, ojja kusasulayo £5 gokka. Olaba muyimbi, oba abayimbi, obeere ne mu mwoleso. Bwe naali e Uganda, oba mu nsi endala etali United Kingdom, nga wandyagadde okwetaba mu mwoleso, omuntu agenda okwolesa osasula £4 byokka. Omuntu ajja obuzza okulaba omwoleso osasula £2 byokka. Ate nange nzija okubaleetera omuzannyo gwange ensozi. Gutandika ennaku z'omwezi 23 August. Omwoleso lwe gutandika. Genda ku website yaffe, ennamba ziizo ziraba wansi awo. Tulabagane mu Birmingham Investment Expo.
Olabira omukyala omuwoomu oba omukyala akumuka nga lumonde nga tonateekamu zizo bye bino wammanga. Omukyala alina ebyoya ku mikono oba ku magulu, oyo aba muwoomu ddala, teekamu ssente zo. Omukyala alina akazigo soso eddibu, oyo aba akumuuka nga lumonde, teekamu ssente. Omukyala alina emimwa eminene ke kamu ku kabonero akalaga nti oyo mu abasajja abenkana lwasa temumulumbagana. Eiza aba n'omugugu oba aba ne masengere oba buzibazaala mpanga. Omuwala alina dimpo oba omukyala alina dimpo ebbiri ku matama, so seemu ng'eyarema ebbiri. Oyo aba akola mu water and sewage corporation. Omukyala alina obunnya wansi w'omugongo oba waggulu wa kabina, oyo sikutendera, wasabu omugwako. Alina byonna ali self contained like a house. Byo mbabulidde ngenda kudda ate mbabulire omusajja kumulabira akumuuka oba abakyala bannamazi ne banna bukalu.
Banange, welcome to yet another edition of Kasuku Live. Esimu nabagamba kati kamera ekwata mabega yennungi eyo maaso sinnungi. Naye sirabayo wadde yenyola nti Kasuku kwatayo kon oyongerezeeko ogule. Mujja bbira banno bee mutyo. Amaaso bwe gali baluma mulimpeereza ssente ezigula essimu endala. Sijasobola bantu bagumu bwe batya bange babeerawo nga mwaguma bugumira emutyo buli kiseera. Temuvibwako kantu wadde. Yeah, but kati yo noise gye muwulira, Chicken Tonight yazze sponsoringa Twezimbe our morning show. Naye Kayima tannatereera. Alya. The man is a glutton. He's always eating.
Ogambe bakoze batya aba Chicken Tonight.
Bazze ba sponsoringa show yaffe.
Ne bakola batya.
Ne batuwa ebyokulya ebyobwereere.
Bati byadde byaki?
Byabwereere.
Nedda ngamba byalese.
Byakulya.
Manama nti balese byakusuula naye biba byakulya. Tubirye. What is wrong? What's wrong? Tubirye.
No problem. Prosi, you want a soda? You want water? Okay. Madam, you want water to replace lost water?
So kamba ya firidwa nyo ku weekend.
Yeah. Checho. Nayenga byebyo ndi wano ninda genda KFM. Nina stories tulina Ghetto Kids. We are going to have a discussion about Ghetto Kids. Na every productive. Tulina story ya Little Puzzle. So kana Little Puzzle kabiri ya mutadde ku nnyonyi. Paka Juba. Naye yabadde amusasula. Omanye ekyabaawo chaka lwajja. Abitex nga amuleesa abayimbi begugumula. Era wanchi bayita chaka biti. Munga kamili agamba Little Puzzle. Gwobo singo kuba kerere. Fe tugenda kubeera mabega nga tulwanisa kintu. Nga Little Puzzle alekaana. Yagenda okuddamola nga kamili bamusasudde okuyimba. Ng'amanya obudde buzibye. Okuva olwo bwadde yanyiiga mu musajja yamuyitamu. Ali nno munnaye ku Saturday nga bamugamba Uganda Airlines weeri jangu tugende Juba. naye mbu yawandagadde ebigambo ku nnyonyi awo naye ne Lupazo eyo ennyonyi yo ebadde esoose banamanyi bamupangiseeyo nga wa Dubai biki anyway yeye embeera eri awo basebo ne bajjabo we keep rocking njagala kubawa Lupazo mu nnyonyi awo n'ebigambo bye yafubutuse. Then after I'm going on KFM to speak English. Doing a ghetto kids, doing out our Kulthum, Akram, the body black. Buli omu naina reference. Kulthum ne Akram bagenze ne balopa body black ku CPS. Ne body black naye n'alopa. Mbo baagala mutta. Kwegamba ebintu biri awo naye byonna tubirina olunaku olwaleero. Then of course tulina ne Wininwaji tugenda mwogerako. Wininwaji ayina essimu y'oli gye yakubye eri ne gwe yakubye amamwa ng'amukwatirira. We are also going to have that discussion. Twebuuze kikola tekikola. Njagala nnyo comments zammwe mbeere nga muziteekawo wansi awo. Fred mbadde nsaba onzikirize nkole. Nzikiriza nkole essimu yo nze nagiteekamu password. Naye tonzikiriza kukola ssimu. Allow me to work, allow me to work. Yes, he's my boss, but he's not allowing me to work. He's not allowing me to work. So that's like what's up. Tugenda kubanga tukubaganya birowoozo olunaku olwaleero ku Kasuku live. But thanks for watching the channel. Mwebala obutabuuka bulango. Before I go, mbadde neerabidde. Mbadde ndoguddemu abantu bansasudde ssente zaabwe kati kyendeeta abaagala okugenda e UK beerako owuliriza bulungi bagiyise Birmingham Uganda Investment Convention Limited okuva nga 23 paka 25 August payment ne registration ekomanga 6 August Just okusembayo kwata sente olo visa submission zibeewo nga 7 August yuko kuba processing aba processing ennaku 14 ekyo kiba kitegeeza nti 20 ekusanga ku kisaawe ng'ogenda so bagenda kubeera it's 23rd 25th to 25th August Ibis Hotel New Street Station Arcadia Center 21 Ladywell Walk BS45T. Kati okumanya bisingawo enamba tebalina yawano wuliriza bulungi listen well okumanya bisingawo +44 74 77 03 8588 you call or WhatsApp +44 74 77 03 8588 naye abanaabulira eno nga bagenda nnyumirwa sibe balina kingo omupya bagenda nnyumirwa so eyo bagise Birmingham Uganda Investment Convention account number njina ne ya Post Bank naye kijja kukola bulungi singa oba whatsappinga awo details ezisinga n'ozifuna akalango mujja kuba nsubira mukalabye eshonga etandika nina ne bakyali banga bakibuye chicken naye bannaye ndi wakupinduka byakulya anyway that's like what's up kati nina balekera video ya Lil Puzzle upon return ogenda kubona KFM speaking English discussing and deliberating on matters so mu comment yawo teeka mukyolowooza tusobole okubeera nga tugenda mu maaso nteseza bubi so yeah that's what's up it's your boy Kasuku mbagambe nti ngenda kwogera ne ku Palaso ne Gondi ne Alien Skin byonna bijja Ben don't move an inch I'm coming back man
Dokita Kamilioni katuwana ajiwadde omuliyesi kati tuli mu bbange embeera nzibu nnyo ya controllinga akati
obasaho olengedde w'ekigungu
irala nnyo kati esawa abeerawo ekwana ekigungu basa
tunamulaba amadda
embeera tuli mu bbanga treatment business class tuli bazibu nnyo
Gitandise.
Yanko wizo yakutte mukono yakuli chomanya. Omutesi.
Ndaresi.
Yakira Jose Chameleon nyo.
Oyizega
ndera yakucha mukira.
Zeni kukamera.
Kwagaliza.
Amina.
Kutemera abantu makubo.
Respect.
Sajja nakabiri nyoni gateri afa.
Tugezi.
Kaninyi siza Dr. Jose Chameleon.
Alali. Oyizega tebugalo. Tunabalaba amadda. Sibile ebinyonyi by'oku LB.
Business class.
Yes, my weekend was fine. Faiza, how are you?
I'm alright, how are you?
Yes, I'm good. Okay. Omuzungu agamba it is what it is.
What it is.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's been quite the weekend. We had a lot of action going on. For starters, the ghetto kids didn't make it.
Yeah.
Bama did them chakumeka. They were about
They
number.
went top 5, I think. What they top 5?
They get our assumptions. What do you mean by top 5?
They
Because they didn't make
Yeah.
it to top 3.
Yep.
but they did the opening act.
They did the opening act.
Yes.
Yeah. So some guy from Norway won.
The comedian.
Is the comedian, eh? It's called a vegan. Something like that. But one, we want to thank the ghetto kids.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for raising our flag.
They did
And
well,
thank you for
right?
representing.
They did well.
And
They did well reaching the finals.
yeah. And then also we hope think people like Ministry of Youth and Children Affairs, Ministry of Tourism, Uganda Tourism Board, you take on those kids and do something with them. Yeah.
Agree.
Bagenda bakola.
you-
I have a feeling bagenda bawayoka explore something.
Yeah, that's what about explore
Explore
North Yawede.
Eh.
Never know.
Never fete batutwala.
Not yet got an explore
What's
anything.
going on here?
The politics
Politics.
at UTB cannot allow us to be there.
We are victims.
We are
of
victims.
corruption.
Yes. So, but Luricha, let us continue doing our thing. They will come.
Where can we go?
So
the other time, Explore North has ended. Explore West ended.
Yeah.
Explore.
East Yagwa.
East also Yagwa.
Is that the one you went for?
Hey, East Yagwa.
Cut it for together and explore what? Central. But Ramaza Masiro. Mujogani Bemutio. And the Central Church, you know what they take. Central, they are going to take you either to Nakasongola, or Nekasubi Tombs, or Gendeke Mengo, or take it. Where else do we go Central? Or take it? Nekuzu.
Isn't there Explore Chobe Safari?
Hey, and that time you left me, you and Daniel.
Yeah.
Ha! Bran, I met Daniel.
Eh?
You know what she told me?
Uh-huh.
She was like, Daniel. Not even full of my, I was going to my car. She was getting out of her car. So she's like, Daniel. So I'm like, She was at our workplace. Then I'm like, hey, okay, what's up, Malaika? She's like, she told me once she's no longer Malaika Nyanzi. There's a Chinese name for Tenshi. She's Malaika Tenshi. So she was like, just call me Malaika Tenshi. Tenshi is fine. Chinese word. I'm like, okay, fine. Then she's like, Daniel, I miss you. Then she did the unthinkable.
She gave you a hug.
Malaika gave me a hug. Do you know what they call a full body hug? I would feel. I was like, when the time comes,
the synovial fluid.
Pfizer, don't see heaven.
Pfizer's never
You,
given me a
she
hug.
has never given me a full body warm hug.
I feel like did I give Kuku a hug?
I was so, that is, my memories came back. I was like, Pfizer, you are bad. You a terrible person. You are a terrible person. Yeah, but Malika, hi, what's up? Now, so the Ghetto Kids, well, they didn't win, but they made us proud. Like
What
we are
did you
saying.
think of their performance?
To be honest, I'll be honest with you guys. Like I share some sentiments with some people. I know. I don't think they from the very first time I saw them performing there, I've never really liked their performances, and that's the honest truth. But because I've seen them, just when you just look at the song City Allos, the dances they had there, they are by far
Better.
better. But well, I'm not a judge on the show. That is one. Then two, I don't know what exactly they wanted, like the judges, what they wanted to see, because I was explaining to people, those shows, talent shows, award shows, they have, you know, when they're saying now this season is coming. For example, the NSSF things you do. A guy can come and pitch ngagundi nunji nyo.
Concept here.
But because it's not what they want, he won't go through. Kadatane wajja oli ajja n'ebyokulima nga tobitegeere ngina fuire nyanya. Simanzi zeno zize never more $100,000 because that year their focus was on that. So maybe this year that was the direction they wanted. Nemo final labamu abana abato bangi. So maybe that was their direction and you know all those things. But I don't think any of those performances they put up for the Zonaze Twalaba, they are anywhere close to the very best we've seen those guys dance.
I might say it here,
and of course, the debate is going on. Fat Boy raised it also. But the good thing, Cheda Sinzo Kwagara, is like most of the people now who are speaking out are doing it after the show is done. Because Fena we were like, let us allow them the chance
to compete.
Or she get any pressure, but let me treat her haters. Yeah, you know. Yeah, but we are proud of them still.
Yeah,
that even before some of our eyes, even when they are not at their best, they managed to get a golden buzzer.
Yeah.
They managed to go through the semi-finals. Yes, and they hit the finals. So, yeah, thanks for making the country proud. Thank you for raising the flag. And I hope bigger opportunities come for them.
Yeah.
Going forward.
I personally feel like they got too creative.
Yeah.
With the dancers.
Oh, but
the dances and the moves got lost.
Yeah.
Yeah, the concepts were, do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like the concepts were so creative. So you're like, where is the actual move?
Yeah. But for me, even this crop of Ghetto Kids, I feel they're building on majorly the success of the previous ones. Yeah. I've not yet seen something exceptional about them.
They have technique.
Apart from them being young kids.
No, but they have technique, Kasuku.
Oh, yeah, okay, yeah, they have technique.
But
no,
it has not
in
been
my mind, and here is what I'm saying, Brian. In my mind, Zeninabari Patricia Abasoka. So what I saw them do, I'm trying to relate it, and maybe that's where my bias comes from. I try so much to relate it with the current crop. There's that cowboy akakari outstanding cousin pulling a Michael Jackson thing and what, but that is all. One to all the performances I've seen that kid do, he will still pull that move. Yeah. So I don't really see something
but
like
they have technique. You have to give it to them.
It will take
that the technique didn't come out.
It will take time.
Competition.
Like I said, it may take us time to appreciate. But the good thing back was they've done something.
Yeah.
It's like webari banabas na French Montana. But they were kids and they are from their backgrounds and you know let them go. Yeah. Bagende. But and God nabayamba. They got some went to America, others got scholarships and what. There's something I want for these kids. If they can get people helping them in the UK where they get shows. So I that's more like it. Now we also had Nwaji over the weekend.
She was performing. A guy was filming her thighs.
Bambi take muka respect nze tebamanyira oya client ambukinga chimanyi chono mbukinga atamanyirwa Shakira, don't come here to touch my thighs, okay? You're not my man. Ate siri malaya bamalaya mbayita ko kukubo you get okuna omukazi wo omusaza swazo kwatirira ebisambi byange what the fuck respect yourself. Don't be out to kill one. Shakira. Hey, when I go on music, you must be Malaya, you get? That's why I'm dressed. You know what I mean? Shakira. This is a performing outfit. Shakira. Okay, together, master DJ.
Very good. Then another one came to touch the thighs. Super. She said, please, I'm here to perform. No. Yeah. I don't understand. Don't do it. Don't just come. The thighs have owners.
Where?
Yes. But have you met a lady who tells you point blank, like, Brian, don't touch my bum? Yeah. It has an owner. Yeah. I think if that was my girlfriend and I'm around, I'm like, yeah,
Range Rover
is my stuff.
Yeah.
Don't Brian don't overdo it. You know, you can do it, but don't overdo it. You get it, eh? Yeah. So, but of course, Nwaji is now back in the spotlight. But I don't know. We also need to have a discussion. At one time, Nalabakone Irene Tade doing the same. Obayari nenda bane Vinka inago yakubo mugeri. Vinka mutaichi omumanyi. Hey, he's okuba ina black belt. Oyo mwana ubo mugeri. Don't just touch my imagining things. At the time they were imagining. You know, we've seen Vinka through phases. No, what I'm saying is, but have you noticed? We've seen Vinka through phases. We saw Vinka without that nyash. Then we saw Vinka nyash coming. Then also we saw Vinka with a lot of nyash. So nyash was coming and someone was trying to disturb the process. Said, don't touch imagining things. You'll get problems for nothing. You get it? Yeah, we are in the process of getting there.
So we don't know what.
So Nwaji, now
but let me ask you, artists, they wear, you know, they are sexy. That's what sells them.
Yes.
Okay, those are the things they do to sell their things.
You know,
at what point?
At what point?
This is a conversation of consent. This is a conversation of consent.
Yes.
You only touch me if I've allowed. Kati wetuwa ku event. Omiyimi najanga azina amazina. And you stand up. And you start touching her. She has the right to tell you, boss.
That will be it.
Yeah, I think
she does. Okay,
but if she comes and dances on you,
yeah.
I mean,
then she.
Brian. Some people ask, how far is too much?
In what?
In terms of Wayamba Dotia, Nemo comedy, where do you draw the line? That this is a joke, this is an offense. Because some people have come up to say, like, why do you dress like that if you don't want to be touched?
It's like they want to have their cake and eat
Thank you. We have paid to see you. We have to enjoy you. But then also the ladies are saying, please, this is my body.
Yeah.
You get it. So it's a discussion that has been here for so many years. And it's a discussion, I don't know how does it conclude. I don't know if actually it will ever conclude.
I mean, but it's quite obvious that someone's dressing is not an invitation for you to touch them. Or to, because at the end of the day, understanding consent is understanding from the point of that they have to actually, probably even with their words, tell you that it's okay. Let's wait. Again, someone's dressing is not an invitation for you. It doesn't matter however skimpily dressed they are. Because let me tell you, wait. Because even women who are fully dressed, let me tell you, even women who are fully dressed, they are decent, have also been sexually harassed.
Yeah, so but question. So for me, what I'm seeing is that now women, what you are saying is that for you can change any time. That you can walk through that door and say, I'm Londo, touch me. 2 minutes later,
you're like, don't
touch me.
Yeah, what's wrong with that?
Well, do you
what's wrong with that?
Do you, in your mind of minds, think about the emotional well-being of this person?
Of the one you are doing.
Because
one you are turning on like a switch.
Thank you very much. Because Faiza, look here.
Let's not make things murky. Consent is very simple and very straightforward.
But how come consent is not discussed for you when
it's like
you...
even saying that, you know what, we agreed to have sex, guys. Together with you, we're in the bedroom. We've started, then I said no longer what. So what's wrong with that? I can't say no.
Faiza, please.
No. Don't bastardize.
No. Thank you very much.
Can say no.
You can say no, but you see, but you see what they are saying. I'm going to give you an example. There is what they say: freedom of expression, freedom of speech and expression. Which is okay. But they also say, in being mindful of those around you, in being mindful with those around you, so you can have the freedom of speech, but understand. Your freedom should not infringe on the freedom of me who is around you. So the same thing happens, Faiza. You can't tell me we are in bed. I've even pumped already twice. And then tell me, I've changed my mind. Please.
What are you...
No, please.
You are infringing on my right now.
Yes, it is okay for you not to want. But have you thought about me?
Bastardizing this conversation.
Then also, in the Lord's Prayer, lead us not into temptation. So, because you need to understand these things. When you come dressed skimpily as an artist to perform, it is very okay, you're right to dress how you want. Yes. And this is the question, which has been going on for all these years. It is okay for you to dress how you like, but now the question is, lead us not into temptation.
Perhaps
what happens when I'm tempted? Our
argument should be centered on, first of all, the artist's performance, not even about their dressing. Because my issue has always been that if you are dressed a certain type of way, please understand that you cannot. There's a barrier to which you can. For example, if it's art, you're performing at a concert, you should maintain some distance. Basically, put in.
But don't they have bouncers?
Yeah.
Kasuku, don't they have bouncers?
Some safety measures.
They do.
They have bouncers.
So,
they do.
So it's about
and of course you need to understand you're dressed how you're dressed. But how far or komawa?
Yes. Okay.
Are we in set? Please come. Sit there. What's going on here? You get us both?
Oh man, just stayed with Simbera playing for you on 933 KFM. Better information on the best music. Good morning. Thank you so much for joining us. Please understand, let's make this very clear. The consent at the end of the day is consent. It can be withdrawn at any time. If you can respect that, you'll do very well with yourself. Okay? Yeah.
Speaking of consent! Okay, I take a muka drama. Yeah, take a muka drama. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's a beautiful Monday.
Good morning.
Yes. And let Kasuku introduce her.
Please, Brian, do the honors, please. Introduce this wonderful lady.
Thank you.
Kasuku, your mic is down. Why is your mic down?
You're smelling well, and you're organic.
What do you mean?
No, like people can put on like this eye things here, nails, what? You organic. Yeah. I don't know if it is scented as in that way or what.
Even me, like Kasuku, I walked in today, this was organic.
Pfizer, Katomadi is here. We are going to get to you.
Don't mix it.
Yeah, don't mix it.
Yeah.
You're mixing a poison and local herb. So how are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
Can you even shout? My madam, the next one she's fighting is this one. She doesn't watch me near people. And you are her color exactly.
Yeah. Really?
Yes. Okay. Yeah. So Brian, please.
Let me
do the admiring.
Ladies and gentlemen, brand new at 93 KFM, brand new at NMG, brand new on the hood is Uwase Aggie.
Yes.
Aggie. Oh yeah. Aggie, first greet our listeners.
Good morning, KFM family. My name is Aggie Uwase. I'm excited and I have so many feelings right now, so you probably will see that on my face, but I'm very happy to be here.
Okay.
There's the way Kasuku is looking at you. Kasuku is more excited. You might say the whole show.
I'm busy debating with Brian. Is it Aggie or is it Uwase?
It's
Which do you prefer to your Coco Kuita?
Okay, let me see. I think Aggie is more relatable. Uwase, people kind of mix it up. You know, they ask me, so is it Uwase? Is it Wase? So I go with Aggie because it's more relatable and simpler.
So, Kuku, what are you going to call her?
I'll call her Aggie.
Oh.
So as we continue talking, she'll become Sweet Aggie.
Yeah.
Oh.
So you're going to be doing the hook?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I had you on last week on the hook Friday. You were talking, I was like, my God. Oh, baby, Fizz and Nikon's way. Now I've put a face to the voice. Yeah, you're really welcome. We have a ritual we do here when we're welcoming people.
Yeah.
You get a full body hug.
So Kasuku give her
body hug.
Yeah.
So who gives the hug?
Of course.
Are we doing Gonja rituals for her as well?
Plus Gonja. But let's first finish the hug so that we get out of here.
It's called a full English hug.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, we are describing what is happening now. Kasuku is engulfing
the lady.
Mama Nyabo.
Like you don't do this. Stand straight.
No.
Kazova
So welcome to KFM. I don't get no one.
I lost my.
You lost your
What's that like?
So guys, she's now my new darling.
Yeah.
Because I move with what is moving. Yes, I move with what is moving. So she's Aggie. You can always catch her on the hook.
Yeah.
10 a.m. to
10 a.m. to 3 p.m.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we shall be around to work. But just to describe her for you, she's brown the whole body.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
You have seen.
How did you see that? Because, you know.
Not like you've been sitting, I've seen. It's a perfect view.
Yeah, it's brown.
The signs are there. It is up to me. I'll make sure.
Use the information.
Katinza, you can call me Daniel.
Daniel.
Yeah.
Daniel.
Yeah. Sit Daniel.
Anamalako ne Daniel. So guys, kati tugenda kola tukyambadde China story ya Bad Black and Kulthum.
ngenda gikola ntya olugambo lumenyedde ku KFM kati jako ntegeyo face so yeah now the story I didn't do twagenda ku Ghetto Kids zetwogera ne kunwaji so story gyesakoze ya Bad Black ne Kulthum ne Akram. So where is the problem? The Kulthum basoka ne bafulumyawo video nga Akram akaba ne bagamba ayina omukolo gwe yaliko nga bagamba yayanjudde era ne bintuukako Akram oyo ne mugaasa agala kwesiriwaza lwaki mbadde nkinyonyola abantu wali ku TV nti ennaku zino kati ebintu ebimu waliwo bakitatya mental health waliwo ebintu ebikubonyaabonya omutwe nga bikubonyaabonyeza bwereere simanyi enkuba etonnya so you know someone omuntu nakola ebyekisiru ate abantu naawe ne baagala okwekikira oyo mukwano gwa Kasuku oyo simanyi abadde ebintu ebyo sikyabyagala era namugambirawo abantu banga oli bwe nanjobeera nga Kasuku akateka bakajajaka tetunaweza myezi 6 bukyanga tugenda ewaba Kulthum kati kiki ekitusiiwa ekituzunza ate bye nali mubuuza nangamba Kasuku biki namugamba naye ekirala ndowooza eno mbadi naye beba mbadi va mu mbadi siraba kibaagaza mawulire tuuka wano kulwawo yali ku live wa 21 questions bamubuuza ebibuuzo tamanyi na kyamuleese nti Bad Black ng'avaayo amwambala ng'amugamba alekeraawo kimala abeere mu kifo kimu nga n'akolwamu azijjayo ng'amwambalira bw'amwambalira nga ne Kulthum naye avaayo ng'amwambalira kati kyokka ekiriwaawo Kulthum kye nayagala submission ya Kulthum ye ng'agamba nti amumanyi tayagala nnyo byakusika bakazi ng'abazza wansi naye tayagala amwogereko baatyo no ddala bino ebintu byamuzaata bye yali alese amazima gali nti submission ya Bad Black yes eyinza okuba yali ntuufu ne nange sakkanya na byakuyingizaamu simanyi asula ku buliri bw'oli nani nawe Bad Black agamba ate oli Akram baye yasooka omuvuma baye yasooka oyingizaamu bbaawe bwe bityo so it got a little bit messy and of course mu submission za Kulthum ng'agamba ajja mutwala mu kooti so Bad Black n'agamba nti ye mu kooti mwe yakulira era ex-convict tayina nnyo kimutiisa to that effect.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Chala Bad Black message yentuuse ko bulungi naye kingenda okugamba nti sigenda kwanukula kigambo kyange n'ekimu kubanga nze ndi pro ladies so akukakanya nze mukyala munnange ne waba akoze ensobi efaanana etya I'll defend you nkuze ku bbali nkugambe manyi awakozeemu ensobi nekyenkugamba nti nkuwooninga ogusembayo nkusonyiya omulundi guno nekoddamu okuyisa erinnya lyange mukamwa mpozzi nga tuli mu Uganda ngenda kunoonya and you'll face courts of law oyogere olete evidence ya buli kintu kyoyogedde teri muntu yenna akkirizibwa kuyisamu mwami wange maaso in the disguise nti you're fighting for me mwami wange wabanga akedde nkya nawasa he has a right because he's a Muslim wemba sivudde complain wembanga nze mukyala we complain nze then who are you he has a right okubeera ku TikTok and na having a fun like any other person kasaba nga tena gwa hatins netojja kuva eri ovuma omuntu kubago togambwako yes yakuzeemu nja kumunenya nti yakoze byokuddamu kubanga of course oli mukyala munnange nina okudefending but you have no right kunvuma era gwe guba gusembayo nja kukwata nkutwale mu mateeka.
So Kulthum, message yonjiwulidde. I don't want you to sound like a dense person. Sagala sounding nga musiru. That is threat. Don't threatening nze saasoma naye mmanya amateeka. Kwate ekkubo genda mu mateeka tugende. First of all ogwoyita bbaawo ye yasoose okwatakinga bba wange. Ka video je kali ku YouTube ke nasoose okulaba I replied as the way je yazenga is attacking my man ngatadde mu family yange. That is what I have done. Ebyo byogamba mbugenda kuwoza nze sitintima. Sitya okitegeera. Go in court, I'll be there. Tontiisa talk to your man to have a reasoning capacity. Tontiisa bange gwe yabadde avuma si muntu. Olinga n'amazzi naawe. Go, I'll be there. Ndi ex-convict sitya biduduma. Fuck you.
Kati ku Saturday nga Akram ne Kulthum besitula bagenda ku CPS ne role ya camera. There are things I don't agree with. I'm a journalist. Yes, people I don't know nyamawuli and all those things. Naye waliwo wootuuka no feeling anti kiseewoko. Amawulire ngaagala nnyo. Naye nina ebintu bye mmanyi from the time natandika okuba amawulire when I was 19 years. So there are things I know that for the time I've been here, ebitasobola kudisikyawo. Naddala ebintu bya relationships ebyo. It may not affect you too today, but think about your children, think about yourselves 10 years from today. How do you revisit some of those things? Yes, so acha mino isinga ngambanya abantu relationship zino muzijje mu public domain. Ne obuzibu obuliwo nti omukyala bafuna bawe nga serebu ayagala naye abe serebu. Omukazi bafuna omusajja bafuna mukazi we nga serebu ayagala naye abe serebu kati katemba n'alyoka abeeraawo n'oko wabukoyi. And that is the biggest challenge that we are having. So ate ne bano kati kyekibabonyaabonya bafuuka ba serebu. They want to constantly be in the news talking about something even ishtakolachi.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Mwasuze mutia. Sawa zino mfuluma waka. Bobo ina gobanja aina kuba mukweraliikirira. Ekirala eno sikawempe ng'omuntu omu bwe yalowoozezza. Ye bw'aba asula wa neighbor si ffenna. Nze ku myaka gyange nkyali naye ng'ate nkyakola kubanga gye ndaga ndaba ebyokukola bye nsonga okuba nabyo mu maaso. Siringa abo abaakoma nti yakola n'aba nga takyeyongerayo. Nalabe wambulookinze naye ng'otidde mangu okumbulookinga. Olowooza ogenda gguma za mbiro. Nalabye otadde bi audio. Kyogamba olowooza abantu abali wano tebamanyi ddoboozi lyange. Abantu bamanyi bwe njogera. Abantu bamanyi bwe njogera. Naye nze sifuddeeyo katulabe gye kiggweera. Okitegeera? Katulabe gye kiggweera, katulabe gye kiggweera. Katulabe gye kiggweera. Ndala ndabe gy'ogumalira. Njagala ndabe gy'ogumalira. Bulungi nnyo. Sikamanye tebeeka ntula no maaso maganabe. Nolugamba sifuna laiti bulungi. Kitegeera? Kati kyekyo. Njagala ndabe gye kiggweera bulungi. Fati! 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 Tulabe gye kiggweera. Kitegedde? Samunango alina okweberera. Fati! Omusajja agenda kujja akebera gundi, akebera kalya kegundi mu kisenge kye. Ajja so watuka mukubire simu. Kale zenyezi. Okay. So kati munnange kyolina okumanya kye.
So Bad Black submission ye yali nnungi until she went wrong. N'ateeka muzaata n'ateekamu ekitanda kyoyo n'akola kyo kitegeera. Kati most times bw'oleeta muzaata ng'oyo mu discussion ng'ezo olina amawa g'okomyawo abantu be stress yaliwo awo mu kugabana ebintu n'akola kama you bring back sad memories. So ne kibeera two way here and there. Naye nagisemyolanga ne Bad Black naye afulumizza. Agamba Simaya bano baagala mutta, Simaya naye yagenze ku poliisi. Ebintu kagamba byestategeera ekikulu kya byonna nti tuyiga otuula ewaka ewaffe. Buli omu abeere ku bibye. Kuviira ddala ku Akram ne Kulthum. Musobola okubeera ewaka ewammwe ne mweyagala nga temulina gwe mukubidde enduulu. Kuba kati mwali mu byammwe oba bya ddala oba mbadi kati lengera gye mwatuuse mutandise okwerangira ebitakwatagana. Ebintu abaze sibitegeera obeera onogamba bakiki. Bannange. Anyway, byebyo. It's a Monday. Watch, enjoy, share. Don't re-upload. I need to walk up now.
I really want to be very brief. Nabalabye mwagenze ku police. I'm waiting for the police to summon me. It's okay, I can face laws. Sidduka mateeka. Atendi munna Uganda sina wengenda kubulira. Senga nalaba ekiwandiiko kya police nga kinsamoninga kubanga nza mu Ugandan Treasure sina wenyenza kubulira. Police will write nga bampita nja kugenda. Mr. Akram badde nkusabolekera okunthreateninga ga information egenda eri Ugandan Police. Mr. Akram nkuwabidde stegundi reference number ye yawo waggulu gye ngenda okuteekawo. Nkuwabidde ku police ku side mazokuwabirayo musango mazokola statement. So bajja kubanga nawe bakunoonya okukwata obanga bakuwandiikira tugende mu kooti. Mwankubidde amasimu munthreateninga okunzita ng'obulamu bwe nnina ku nsi we buli obutono ate ennaku zino ekigenda mu ggwanga. So nkuwabidde ku masimu obwedda genfuna jjo because the incident cannot happen at once. The good thing naba recordings ekyokubiri enamba za wano e Uganda bajja zitrackinga so mazokola statement reference number yiyo naawe onoonyezebwa kubanga mu Uganda bazze batta abantu. Video wedda z'okola zonna gye wakedde okukola ku Facebook gwe ki Akram wagambye tugenda kudiiringa nja kulaba biki. So in case wabaawo ekintu sekesaawa zino wenfiira wano family yange ne wabaawo atuukako obuzibu Akram you're the responsible. Kivunaanyizibwa ku ggwe kyentegeeza obuzungu ndabika kanduleke. Sekizibu kyonna senga kituuka ku mwana wange okuva leero. Kituuka ku mwana wange oba kituuka ku nze oba ku memba family yange oli responsible. Muzze mutta abantu munnange ebintu si byakusaaga omuntu wakutiisatiisa musooka tuwooninga. So Akram you warned me and ngezi. So nyongera okutegeeza obuzibu bwonna bwe buntuukako you're responsible for it. Gwe obunaanyizibwako because ne ka video kuwakedde okukola ku makya wagambye nti kendabe ekigenda okuntuukako tudiiringe ate nga mwasuze munkubira amasimu. So in case ekintu kyonna Uganda Police mbasaba muyingire mu zino ensonga. Egyo emisango gye mumpaabidde it's okay tujja kuwoza. We shall. Era nga nabagambye I don't get threat by that. Amateeka galiwo okugaba bwenkanya. So ku lusumu wanaabanga afunye obwenkanya ng'akakasa mbw'omusango obumulamuzi n'akakasa gunsinze we shall pay the consequences. Akram ontiisatiisa you will pay the consequences. Eyo video gye wakoze ng'onvuma you will pay the consequences. Comment gy'ogamba that it was written with mbunze nagiwandiika nyongera okuinforminga that isinze my admin ye yagiwandiika. So my social media einaba admin ene wesagala kwewozaako budde sibwa kooti naye nga Mr. Akram nkuwabidde Uganda Police ebitongole ebikuuma ddembe ebitongole ebya SMY mubeere nga mukitegedde nti if it comes any morning from today ngoba they have gunned me down, they have assassinated me, the person who is responsible yegukuminkiriza Akram ne Kulthum be babeera bakoze eki according ka voice nakataddeyo ku Facebook kubanga I don't think nti ne guno omusango gulimu obulamwa ne advice gye ngendo sembayo kuwa Akram muva mu mawulire Kulthum omukazi wa kitiibwa omusajja omusiru avumaganya mukazi we so senga tewankoledde video kunjogerako byonna bino senga tetubiriimu so you have a reference I have a reference ogenze n'okola statement nange nkoze statement the law will have to serve us together kutiisatiisa ennaku zino omuntu akutiisatiisa n'akutta so before I face my premature death nga bwe wagambye nti ennaku z'okulya emmere nsigaza ntono ate nga abantu bazze babatta wano e Kampala so I think I've made my point clear onoonyezebwa you are unwanted I have reported you and I'm going to make sure you're gonna pay so Kulthum she's taking me to jail I'm taking you to jail it's tit for tat you're playing with a bad bitch we're gonna see where it will end bye bye darling
bya alien skin ne parasondo za bye bimunala bya alien skin bagamba yatadde ekivulu ku Friday yemu ne paraso shows a Friday and I don't know I find their again a mason I find it shallow that is the honest truth it is something I feel like they are trying to prolong the oltaro bageza ko dusika barusike paka shondo za renagwa ekijja kuba kibi shobe ne basala ku bintu byonna bye mukoze kijja bba kibi naye ekirungi show ya Friday bene gwanga tugenda kukiddako so alien skin bobotadde show ya Freedom City Friday no nga bogamba nkwagaliza birungi byerere paraso nawe nkwagaliza birungi byerere ebisigadde tunabida dissecting ku Saturday kuono nga show ziwedde kutoka and talk show tulabe lwakuba baba natidde mudda but it is what it is buli omu akole kyasobola tulabe obulamu bwe bunasobola okubanga bugenda mu maaso until next time bye